Another important thing is the permission part, which we need to talk it, right? Yes, this is very important and have a focus on that, right? Assume in the step A, what we did, we created a project as skeleton. In the step B, what we did, we onboarded all the team members, whoever is your cross-functional team, we have onboarded them in the ADO. And if I was not able to do that, the reason behind that, as a Scrum Master, I am not having the admin access. So what I have done, I have raised a ticket to the ADO admin. He or she will add them in the board, right? Second important thing is the permission. Why we need the permission? If you can see the struggle, a lot of Scrum Master struggle, or you would have heard that complaint. I mean, you've seen this in scenario with your team also. Some team member has deleted the stories by mistake, and I'm not able to take those story back. Right? Someone had deleted the board, or someone has do some tick with the board. Right? So that does happen, right? So how I can restrict those people, how I can restrict to that they are not going to do those things, and I'm having as a Scrum Master or as a project manager, I want to have a whole right with me, the edit right, the delete right, and the customization right. Only the right which I can give to my team member is that create as a story and edit as a story. Remaining rights I want to keep with me, right? So for those setting, what we need to do, that you need to click on the project setting part and click on the permission part. Once you are in the permission, first thing it is showing delete the node, right? So you have an option not set, allow, deny, right? So you put deny. You should not allow to delete the node. Edit this node, yes, you can make it allow. Then rename team project, right? Deny it. Why I'm saying deny it? Because once you give this project name, which is a PSK commerce website or whatever is your team name, that has been decided by either your management or by your PO, right? So you ensure that this name has not changed. If you are making it edit, any team member who is not able or who is playing around the ADO, he can delete those things, right? So deny those permissions. So from here, you can change the permission from board, right? Bypass the rule on work item update, right? By what is mean by that? It means if you can see in the ADO board, we have a stage like starting from to do. I need to go to the in progress. From in progress, I need to go to the development. From development, I need to go testing. Then I can go to the done. Some people, what they do, they from in progress, they directly move to the done. They did not move the development stage. They did not move the testing stage. That's a struggle a lot of Scrum Masters struggle with, right? And we say, guys, put those ticket on the proper state and move in the right workflow, right? So how I can ensure, okay, let me set up those condition and I'm not allowing the things at all, so it won't, the ADO won't allow at all, right? So in that case, you say bypass rule on work item updates, you say deny. If you deny that, they cannot bypass the rule which you are going to set up. The rules and the board setting, we are going to discuss how to set up the board size. So those setting they cannot deny it. So that's the people things over there. Then delete and restore work item, definitely deny it, right? Otherwise what happen, anyone can delete the work item. So this is how there is some more items over there, test plans and everything. So this is the section, permission section, where you can put the permission which you are going to configure in the board, right? So that's the permission part.